Hi everyone! Happy New Year 2025! First build for this year. This is a NISSAN NAVARA Pro 4X equipped with OLDMAN IMO BP51. The client only chooses the best. The OLDMAN IMO BP51, the nice about the suspension is you can adjust the rebound and compress of the suspension here. And beside this plastic is the canister. And for the upper control arm, we're using the PROFENDER Queen series. We'll show you the back. The real shocks here. And the coil spring. For the rims, the clients only choose the best. He wants something not common in the market for his Navara. So we recommend him with the race versus wheels. The race as of now is 6x139. As you all know, Nissan is 6x114. So we're using the wheel conversion hub-centric from 6114 to 6139. And for the tires, the client wants the beefy look. We choose the BF GOODRICH KM3 tires. See the stance from the side. This is what the client really want. Masculine pickup. And see from the... As you have noticed, when I do suspension lift, I always choose the front to be a lower bit compared to the back. The purpose of that one is even you carry heavy loads on your pickup, the pickup will not face up on the front. It will be level. As of this one right now, there's load at the back. The stock rims, the 4 stock rims, and also the stock suspension. But the suspension, but the pickup still a nose drop a little. For me, this is how I built. If you're interested with our product, feel free to message me. By the way, there are lots of fake race wheels in the market right now. We only sell original race wheel. Feel free to message me here and please subscribe and like my YouTube channel. PRS Car Accessories and Services. See you here guys, 2025 na. Bye!